So here's the problem. Printer output tray, lost a lug. Wobbly printer output tray. Simple. Bit of blue tack, make a mould, get the Bondic. Remembering the instructions, little layers. Just build them up to make a new lug. One more to finish. Set that. Very quick, very simple. Turn it out of the mould. Hey presto. One new printer lug. Get the item round. Put the glasses on so we can see what we're doing. Line it up. Goes there. And then some more Bondic. Some more UV. And as simple as that, the printer's fixed. No more wobbly output tray. Job's a good one.